Hello guys, welcome to our channel. My name is Achalyan. I have graduated from Modi University Lakshmangad and currently I am working as a professional software developer. So today we have Ayush with us who graduated from Tier 3 college and who recently joined Myntra as an SD position. So let's welcome Ayush.
Thank you, Achal, for the introduction.
Okay, so Ayush, could you please share us that in which year you started focusing on coding skills and tech stuff?
So the major part which I started my coding journey is in my final year. So I started doing competitive programming in my final year, and after that, in the same year, I started looking for internship as well. And after that, I got an off-campus placement in Myntra.
Okay, so in your view, does CGPA matter more than college projects for job interviews?
In my what I've seen is CGPA matter only till if you are eligible to apply for a certain role. If you are able to apply for a certain role in the interview, CGPA doesn't play any role. The only thing that matters in the interview is your skills, your projects, and how you express yourself.
Okay, so in which company you did your last internship?
Okay, so I've done my internship from various organizations. So I started my internship in my January 2021, and after that I got an offer from NCR Corporation via Hacker Earth, and I did my internship there, and that was my last internship experience. After that I got an offer from Myntra, and I joined as a full-time employee there.
Okay, so does internship help you for job opportunities and professional growth?
In my case, it helped me. I got something to discuss in the interview as I have done something in a real life. So the interviewer was very curious to know what I have done, what things I have done, how it impact to the society. So in my case, we most of the time we get into a discussion that like what you have done in your internship and what was your role, what was that project. So in my case, it helped me.
Okay, so how did you apply for full-time opportunities?
So generally, I look for the opening over a LinkedIn. In LinkedIn, you have a great community there. Everyone is ready to help one another. In that, you can look if there is an opening, you can ask for a referral for some employee of that organization. If you are able to get a referral, that's well and good. Otherwise, you can directly apply to the career portal. So in my case, I got the opportunity from the LinkedIn and I applied there.
Okay, so what was your preparation strategy for job interviews?
So my strategy was to focus on the coding part. As I said, I started my journey in the final year. So my goal was to build my skills, and I improved my skills doing the competitive programming. After a certain extent, I did the competitive programming. After that, that I realized that it's a well and good to able to crack any company. I switched and started preparing my core subjects, that is DBMS, OS, and OOPS for the core subjects. And after that, I started looking for internship opportunities or full-time opportunities. So after doing DS Algo and core subjects and preparing my resume, I was confident enough that I was ready for the interview. After that, I applied for the certain companies and got shortlisted.
Oh, that's great, Ayush. So, okay, so let's discuss about your Myntra interview experience. So, how many rounds were there for you?
So for the Myntra off-campus interview experience, there was a total of 5 rounds. First was online assessment. Second was technical round one. Third was technical round two. In my case, the fourth one was HR round. After that, the fifth round was hiring manager round.
Okay, so in first online coding round, how many questions were there and what was questions difficulty level?
So in the first online assessment, there was total of 10 questions. 5 were MCQ and 5 were coding part, which you can do in any language on HackerRank. The topics I can state that it was some questions was from greedy, dynamic programming, bit manipulation, graph theory.
Okay, so in first technical round for freshers, what on which skills interviewer were more focused on?
So in any technical round, the interviewer only focus on your problem solving skills. it doesn't matter if you are able to solve the question or not, you are able to solve the all the test cases or not. The interviewer only wants to know how you approach to the problem, how are you thinking. So it's only matter of that. So if he likes your approach, he will help you throughout the problem. But all the thing it's boiled down to is how you approach, how you are solving, how you are approaching to the problem.
Okay, so in next technical round, how many questions were there and what was their difficulty level?
So in my next technical round, that is a technical round 2, there was a total of 2 questions. First was from dynamic programming, and the second was a mixture of greedy binary search and hashing.
And were you able to solve both the questions?
Yeah, yes, I was able to solve all the questions in the given time frame.
Okay, so and next one was your hiring manager, right?
Next one was my HR round. For me, it was HR round.
Okay, so for freshers, what type of questions they asked in that round?
In HR round, they basically focus on how you are able to respond if certain situation have been given to you. What was your reaction and how will you approach to the situation? And there were basically behavioral questions, and the questions if you are able to fit in the work or fit in the culture of Myntra or not. So there were behavioral questions and cultural fit questions.
Okay, that's great. And next one was your hiring managerial round, right?
Yeah, next was hiring manager round.
What type of questions they asked you in that?
So in my case, the hiring manager round was solely based on my resume, what internships I have done, what were my projects. They asked in-depth question. Each and everything from my resume has been asked. You are expected to know your subjects as well. So in my case, the hiring manager asked me what was your favorite subjects, and I said that one of my subject is oops is one of my favorite. So he asked me a low level design question which were not supposed to ask for a fresher, but he asked me, and I was able to answer that because I've done some back end work in the internship. So yeah, internship helped me also there. So that's how I passed my hiring manager round.
Okay, so after that, were you confident enough that you will get selected?
After let me be honest, after the technical round 1, I was confident that I will get shortlisted as I have done all the questions. Even after technical round 2, I was confident that I will get shortlisted. But after hiring manager round, I was not 100% sure. So in low level design question, it's a open ended problem. We can't say what the other person is thinking. Everyone has a different approach to the problem. So I was not 100% sure that the hiring manager was satisfied with it, but I have some hope that I will get shortlisted as I have answered the question.
After how many days you got tentative offer letter and congratulations mail?
After giving hiring manager round, after 2 hours, I got a call from HR that congratulations, you have been selected for a full-time position. And on the next day, I got the confirmation mail and the offer letter.
Okay, so I guess it's a nice that you go all the interview process took only 2 days, right?
Yes, you can say it was good, but for me, it was a little bit hectic because all 3 rounds were on same day, and I didn't have to time to revise my core subjects, and it was an exhaustive process. But it was good.
Okay, so were you negotiate salary with HR?
Not as such because for fresher, everyone has a same salary structure. Myntra doesn't discriminate between people or region or a tier of the college, so everyone is equal there.
Okay, so finally city से कितना मिला?
More than enough for a fresher.
Okay, that's great. So can you describe CTC components, what Myntra offered?
So it's same for every other product based company. You will get some part as a base salary and some part as a employee stocks.
Okay, that's great. Thank you so much, Ayush, for sharing your interview experience with us, and all the best for your Myntra journey.
Thank you so much, Anshul, for having me.